shotgun microphone. Today we're taking a quick look at Vidpro shotgun microphone model XM-88 kit with 13 pieces. I guess they put that in there, make you think you get a lot, but they do provide you with everything you need to get started. I picked this microphone up several months ago in hopes of improving my audio performance in certain situations. For example, when I don't want the microphone in the shot, or when the subject is moving around quite a bit to avoid unwanted microphone noise due to the microphone rubbing up against the subject's clothing. Now let's check it out and step up our audio game and take it to the next level. What we have inside is an adjustable stand mount, phone wind muff, dead cat, hand grip, XLR cable. This is a short one, male to female. XLR cable, male to female. This is one much longer. I believe it's about 26 feet. AA battery. .5 to 1/4 inch adapter. XMR to 3.5 cable. Hot shoe mount. Some replacements for the shock mount that's already on the microphone. Here's the microphone itself. It's made out of aluminum. It can be powered by a AA battery or phantom power. Phantom power plugs right here in the rear. Unscrew the rear to install the battery. I really never use the battery myself. Mostly just XLR. And here we have a power switch and low cut. Now let's see how it sounds. This is how the microphone sounds with no pre or post processing. I have it suspended from my microphone boom arm approximately 3 feet away with nothing on it. Just out of the frame, pointed at my chest. I'm recording in my bedroom. The walls behind me have a covering on it, a black backdrop. Other walls, including the ceiling, is bare. The floor is carpeted with a large bed in the room. How does it sound? I want to know what you think, so please leave a comment letting me know. I would love to hear it. But before I go, about this shotgun mic, its accessories is adequate for getting started right out of the box. Also, the shotgun mic is a condenser mic. The reason for a shotgun mic is to pick up sound in front of the mic, reject the sounds from the sides and rear. I believe it's a good microphone. I've used it a couple times and it sounds okay. I do have to do some post processing to clean it up a bit, but right now in this room I have this computer running and I have my server running, and for some reason the Ninja recorder fan is on, so you might hear that. But for $100, I guess it's okay. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And share this video with anyone who can benefit. But if I missed something, dislike this video and leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute.